1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just a little over 81,000 on this one is all. Dark cherry metallic, gray interior. Of course, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and you can see front fascia, grille, headlights, good shape on this one. Paint shows well, a couple little small touch-up spots. Good paint matching those touch-ups, by the way. Paint has a nice glossy finish. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from the underside. Interior, engine bay, trunk. Car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the correct Impala wheel. Tires are date-coded 2023 and plenty of tread left on them, so you know. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, bucket seat, center console in the 96s. Aftermarket, I believe it was Alpine, more modern stereo in it with Sirius XM capabilities. Stock radio will go along with it. So we continue to look down this passenger side once again. See, it's a nice shape. I noticed there's a couple little touch-up spots back here, but again, nice paint match, well done. A few other things besides that radio that'll go with it. Looks like we have a seat cover, car cover, recharge kit for Canon air filter. There's that stock radio, windshield shade, some extra floor mats, and it looks like a dash mat. So that will all go along with the car and get put in it. And once again, still pictures, check them all out, UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this. The coolant was recently flushed, oil changed. Brakes are 55% in the front, 60% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you're an Impala fan, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online right off our showroom floor. Check out this back seating area. Of course, power windows and power locks in this car. And it appears the seats have never been sat on. That's how clean they are. Nice shape. They haven't been used much, I will tell you that. How about the fronts? All right, first off, again, power windows and locks. Mirrors are power seat, both sides, and condition of seats up here. Also a nice shape. Of course, tilt column cruise control. All right, first of all, let's check your exact miles on here. 81,699. Again, two-owner car, original miles. Dash. Great shape. There it is. Again, way more modern stereo, and it does come with a stock one if you want it. Power antenna works over there. If you notice that came up. Sounds like a stock 5.7 LT1. All right, let me see. I should be able to get this hood one-handed, I think. There it is, underside of the hood. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather. That is clean. There it is. Stock looking engine bay. Looks like there is a battery tender already on the battery, so plug it in for when it's in between drives or in storage. No surprises on this two-owner. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. We have an Alpine stereo in the
Chicago,
dash.
December, corn 419, down 5.
That is working as it should. I have not tested CD. A little bit of traffic. This car still relatively low miles, less than 82,000 currently. And it feels that way. It looks even better than that. Nice bucket seats, very good condition. Everything I'm looking at looks nice condition. AC's blowing cold, the wipers work. Our temperature gauge is about 1/8 of the way up, still warming up. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Very simple gauge layout, very functional. Fuel gauge shows 1/8 tank from being full. Might be a slight vibration, probably just a flat spot on a tire that'll work its way out. Great visibility. Remember, they use these for squad cars, so you know they're going to be dependable and perform. Brakes are feeling good. Also, just a very slight pulsation, maybe in the brakes as well. Very smooth running car. Corner's nice and flat. Also, think of a police car. They're going to want it to perform. Kickdown works on the automatic transmission as it should. Nice quiet ride down the highway. Take a look at all the pictures of this Impala SS at UniqueClassicCars.com.